Hello students, this is Miss T here. So today our lesson, we are going to learn how to use our emails. I'm excited that you guys will be able to use this email feature. Every student has an email account, so you will be able to log in and email teachers. All right, so what you gotta do first is you gotta open Google Chrome. So make sure it's Google Chrome. And then when you get here, you need to go to the address box up here. So when you get here, you're going to type in webmail, webmail.srp-ed.org. Okay, so that's what you need to do to access your emails. And then once you get here, then this shows up. What I want you guys to do from here is I want you to save it into your favorites. So you're gonna go up here to the star there and you're gonna save it in your favorites. Okay, once you click on the star, it will say Outlook app, web app. You just click done. This is the desktop at the school, so you won't see it on here, but on your laptops at home, it should be up here below the web address. Okay. All right, so now what you do here is you're just gonna log in with your regular username and password that you get on with your computers at home, your laptops at home. So I'm gonna use a student account. Press enter. This is the first time that this screen comes on right here. This is just the setup, but the next time you log in, it should just be the regular email that you'll see your email account, and I'll show you that in a little bit. All right, so right here, we don't need to change the language. Leave it as English or else you will not understand the language. Okay, the time zone, click on the drop down menu and you will go down almost halfway and you can see Arizona. Click on that, save, and it will go to this is what your email looks like. All right. So what we do to create an email is we're gonna go to the corner where it says new mail. Okay, I'm gonna move my cursor around a little bit. You're going to click on it. So here are different things that we need to know. We need to know send. Send is when you're ready to send off your email to whoever you are. Discard. Discard means that you are going to, you don't need your email anymore. You want to get rid of it, so we can discard it. Goes back here. Let me open it up again. Discard means to throw it away. Insert. This is what we're going to use a lot of because I want you to be able to attach files to our email. Apps, I haven't messed around long enough to know what this is, but just for today. All right, we're gonna click on the to part and see my cursor is blinking. What I want you guys to do today is to email me, Miss T. All right, so when you are going to send something, you just start typing in my name, T-U-C-H, and then go to contacts, and then see how mine pops up. My pretty little picture there. All right, in the subject, I want you to type in new email. And then on the bottom, you click on this bottom here. We're not gonna mess with any of this right now. I just want you to know how to send an email right now, okay? And down here, I just want you to put it works. Done. Press the enter key a couple of times and then type in your name, Miss T. All right, then I want you to send it to me. Done. It doesn't look like anything was sent, but if you go over here to the sent items, you click on that, you'll see that you sent it to Miss T. All right, and then up here is the inbox. It goes back to this screen. Once you have sent me an email, I will respond to you to let you know that I got your email. All right, so Miss T is excited about this feature. We are now able to use email. All right, more information to come about this emailing system soon. See ya.